Welcome back to another beginner's video. In this one we're going to be doing a date night mommy kind of video. This is for anybody of course, but this is quick and easy and very minimal shadows. It has a silver lid that you can add any kind of smoky shade to the crease and make this look work. We're priming our eyes first and foremost, and then I'm going to be picking up the Amuse eyeshadow palette in Temptress. And I'm going to be using that AOA Studio brush cleanser to clean my crease brush off. So from that palette we're just picking up this nice peachy, cool toned, skin tone kind of color. And we're going to put that in the crease as a transition color. It's going to help us blend later. And we just windshield wiper that in there. Now we're going to be picking up this beautiful purpley berry toned shade. It's gorgeous. It kind of has red undertones. We're applying that in the crease. We're also using the All About the Eyes brush that we mentioned in another video. If you have a lot of crease issues and don't really know where to place your crease color at or anything like that, you should get this brush. It's from that scent and it just makes crease work easy. And especially replacement. So you just want to place this shade here against and a little bit above your orbital bone, and that is the bone you feel that's between your lid and your crease. And now I'm just taking more of the skin tone shade and I am buffing those edges out. We're also going to apply this to the lower lash line and really smoke out the lash line. Here we're using this beautiful like vanilla matte shade, and we're just going to use that as a highlight, and that's also going to give an additional aid of buffing out the edges. These shades do blend very nicely, and I do recommend this palette from shopmissa.com. And once again we're just going to blend and blend and blend. You can take the blending brush you've been using, or you can pick up a clean one and really buff those colors out. And here is the Amuse Lustrous Metals palette, and I'm using that beautiful silver in the palette. And for whatever reason it didn't apply that well to the lid right here, and then in the next clip you'll see it is applying much better, so I don't know. I also did wet this product. I picked up some of the powder on the brush, and then I used the WetnWild setting spray to get it wet. Do not wet your brush and then put it in the eyeshadow, because you'll ruin your eyeshadow. These are not wet and dry, but you can do it like that. So just apply that, and now I also applied the beautiful silver in the inner corner to bring a little pop of light there. You can also use a different shade there as well. Now we're just going to go in and blend some more, and now I'm doing eyeliners. So I'm using the Milani Stay Put eyeliner, and I'm using it in the upper and the lower water lines, and we are picking up the AOA Studio liquid eyeliner in black, and I'm just doing a thin strip. I think that this look is really perfect for a date night. It's smoky, it's sultry, it's kind of sexy. It kind of like bedroom eyes as well, in my opinion. I just love it. And the mascara we're using is CoverGirl Shayla Big Shot Mascara, and the lipstick of course I'm using is Maybelline 920 Nude Lust. I love this lipstick. Can you guys tell? I love it. And I'm using a Q-tip to clean up, and also a little tip. You can take a Q-tip to help blend those little harsh edges of your crease out if you need be. It works great, and it just helps soften them up a bit. So I use the LaColors setting spray to make my makeup last all night. And yes, here is our finished look. It's beautiful. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. It is really easy because it's really working with two main shades. And stay tuned for more beginner videos coming your way. Subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of those upcoming videos.